Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared these plantain vadas. This is normally served for tea time or even during our South Indian meals. We serve it for lunch or dinner. Here I've prepped all the ingredients required for this recipe. You can see I've chopped the plantain stem, then I placed the plantains in water and boiled it. So the plantains are cooked well and I removed it from the flame. I allowed it to cool. So once you're preparing the vada, then only you need to peel the plantains and add it to a plate and mash it. Here the plantains are cooling down, so I'll reserve it. I've also used roasted Bengal gram, which is roasted chickpeas. You need to just dry roast it and powder it and reserve it. Here I've prepped all the veggies required for this recipe, including the masala. I've chopped and reserved onion, coriander, mint. We need ginger, chilies, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and fennel seeds. All these ingredients I'll add to a mixer jar. Apart from the onions and coriander and mint, I've just added tiny amount of mint and coriander to the masala. We need to grind this masala into a coarse paste. So once you've ground the masala into a coarse paste, reserve it. We'll peel the plantain and add it to a plate. We need to use our hands or a masher and mash these plantains to a smooth consistency. A detailed blog post is posted on this recipe, friends. What to prep ahead of time and how to prepare this vada. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I have also posted my other social media handle links: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil, friends. So the YouTube Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. So all the links, all the ingredients used in this recipe and a detailed blog post link will be in the description box below this video. Now you can see I peeled the plantain and I reserved it on a plate. You can also use a bowl. I'm mashing it with my hands. You can use a masher and mash these plantains to a smooth consistency. Here, if you noticed, when I cooked the plantain, the color of that water was very dark. So plantain contains a lot of iron in it. Consuming this vegetable regularly is very good. Now once I mashed the plantain, I've added the ground masala to it. And I'll also add the dry roasted and ground chickpea flour. Don't add salt. If you add salt now, your batter will become very loose. Avoid salt for the moment. Make sure you mash the plantain well and all the ingredients are combined well. Once we are going to fry these vadas, only then a small portion of the vada mixture you have to add salt, mix it well, then start frying your vadas. Otherwise your onions will become soggy and the vadas will be very soggy. So here the plantain is mashed well. I've added the finely chopped onion, finely chopped mint and coriander. We'll combine all these ingredients in the batter and reserve this batter. Also heat up oil in a wok on low flame at this point. If you're preparing these vadas ahead of time, you need to prepare this batter without salt and reserve it. If you're preparing it right away, only then add salt. So I've heated a wok with oil on low flame. Once the oil has reached temperature, I'll just take a small portion of this vada mixture and add salt and knead it further. So this is the step you need to follow, friends. This is one tip I learned from my mother and I follow on a regular basis. Because these are the tips which will help you to cook faster and efficiently. Now here you can see the vada, we can form it easily. It forms into a ball and if we flatten it, it flattens evenly. So to one portion of the vada mixture, I'll add salt as per taste. Combine it very well. You need to knead it. And once your oil is nice and hot, start preparing lime size balls of this vada mixture and then you flatten it with your hands and drop it in hot oil gently. A detailed blog post link, all the ingredients used in this recipe, all the links to my other social media, and a detailed video posted on my YouTube Tamil channel will be in the description box below this video, along with all the ingredients used for this recipe. Now once I have flattened the vada, I'll gently drop it in hot oil and fry it for 2 minutes on each side. See friends, how easily I'm able to form roundels, then flatten it into vadas. It is that easy. But if you add salt ahead of time, the batter will become very soggy. So the vadas are formed. Now I have heated the oil on medium flame. I'll start frying the vadas. Fry it for 2 minutes on each side or until it turns golden brown in color. We'll drain it from the hot oil once it turns golden brown in color and reserve it on a plate and allow the excess oil to drain out, then serve it hot. These vadas are extremely tasty, very nice and soft, easy to digest, and it does not contain lot of ingredients in it. It's very simple to prepare, it's very healthy. People who are dieting or who want to avoid deep frying can use their air fryers, or you can use very less oil and pan fry these vadas and then consume it. So people who totally want to avoid oil can prepare it that way. But otherwise, these vadas are so crispy on the outside and so soft and nice and spicy inside. It pairs very well with our South Indian meals. I highly recommend it. So do give this recipe a try, friends, and post your comments. Just follow few tips that I mentioned earlier and prepare it. You will be able to prepare vadas which are very healthy on a regular basis. So now my vadas are fried till golden brown. I drained it from the excess oil and reserved it on a plate, and then I'll be serving it hot. I'm preparing the second set of vadas in the same manner, and you also need to fry these vadas on low to medium flame, not on high flame. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends. All the links to my blog and the other social media handle links, all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Do give me a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. All the links to my blog and other social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. I have also translated and posted this recipe in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video, friends. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.